I risked $30,000 buying this completely blind. Right now, you're about to witness the moment of truth. The box is in my hands. 1, 2. We're opening it. What? No way. Seriously? Holy. Oh my God, this can't be. Are you kidding me? Wow. Jackpot. No fucking way. Let's begin. Estimated value, $200. Next, Vostok Amphibia. Barrel case, original bracelet, new dial. Fully working, smooth winding. Have you ever gone diving with one? Would you like to? Originally built for Soviet divers, the Amphibia was designed as a tool watch for military divers and sailors, made to withstand serious underwater use. Unique sealing system. The case and crystal compress under water pressure, meaning the deeper you go, the better the water resistance becomes. A feature almost no other watch in the world uses. Iconic barrel case. One of the most recognizable shapes in the Amphibia lineup. Collectors appreciate it for its rugged vintage tool watch design. Estimated value, $100. Next watch. Unidentified generic Chinese piece, $1. Tissot, needs restoration, $10. Vostok, needs restoration, $5. Next, Orient. 3 stars again, this one with a beautiful uncommon dial. Original bracelet, great condition, working. One of the most iconic Orient lines ever made. The TriStar series is known for being reliable, affordable, and surprisingly durable. Designed for everyday wear, simple, clean, and practical dial layout made it a popular choice in many countries for decades. Arabic day wheel variant, models with Arabic dual language calendars were produced specifically for Middle Eastern markets and are now sought after by collectors. Value, $150. Next, another Vostok Amphibia. Excellent condition, new bezel. Are watches like this still relevant today? Would you wear one? Classic Soviet dive watch heritage, built for reliability and survival in real underwater conditions. Rare champagne dial. This color variant is less common and is highly appreciated by collectors for its elegant contrast with the black bezel. Shock-resistant and water-resistant construction, designed to handle pressure, impacts, and everyday wear better than many vintage watches. Price, $120. Now this is serious. Omega Seamaster Cosmic, produced in the late 1960s to 1970s. A classic era for Omega design, when thin, elegant cases and clean dials were the standard. Monocoque, one-piece case construction. The movement is accessed through the front, improving water resistance, and making this model unique among vintage Omegas. Part of the iconic Seamaster family. Originally created as a reliable everyday watch with dressy style and light water resistance. Estimated value, $700. Next, Orient. 3 stars, rare dial, polished case, working, only fingerprints visible. Would you wear a vintage watch like this today? Striking turquoise dial, one of the most eye-catching and collectible color variants in the TriStar line, especially with gold hands and markers Known as a people's automatic, affordable yet durable, many owners bought these as their first mechanical watch and still wear them decades later. Strong vintage character, late 80s to 90s aesthetics, polished case, minimal bezel, and vibrant dial make it a standout piece in any Orient collection. Value, $150. Next, Orient 3 stars for restoration. If running, $70. Next, Zaratron, a brand I've never encountered. If anyone knows the manufacturer, comment below. Value, $20. Poljot quartz, back case removed, needs restoration, $20. Zaria quartz, restoration required, octagonal case design, a distinctive shape that gives the watch a sleek, retro-futuristic look. $10. Here's the Orient multi-year calendar, one of the most unique watches ever produced by the brand. The dial is what instantly grabs your attention. A deep black background, gold accents, and a massive full-year calendar display. This watch shows the year, month, day of the week, and the date, all mechanically, with no electronics involved. Once the year's set, you can check any month in just a couple of seconds. Inside is an automatic movement powered by wrist motion, so no battery is required.
If you loved this, smash that like button. Drop in the comments what you really think about these watches. And you must subscribe and hit the bell right now, because in just 2 days, we're opening the box that still makes my hands shake. See you in the next one. Bye.